this trip was something really challenging. We were about to push beyond our comfort zone and decided to do something we had never done before. Renting a van and traveling with no routes planned. It was a true proof of what we were capable of, and everything was better than we could ever dream. Until you sleep a few nights in a van and wake up with a broken back, and then you cry and seek for the cheapest hotel because your whole body hurts. I mean, look at my face on this shot. I literally wanted to burn down the van and never travel with one again. Jesus, when the hell did I decide to travel this way? I've never felt less comfortable in my life. Guys, just don't do it. It's the worst that you can do. Vans are truly overrated. Oh yeah, well, let's get back to the epicness. There are some truly unique experiences that you can only live with traveling with a van. Let me show you how the whole trip started. Good morning! This is the first day of our trip. Actually, it's the second one, but yesterday I was a little bit lazy with all the stress of packing the van, getting the tutorials by the guys from the van trip. But first, let me just wake up the lady in the van. Lady?
Hello.
Good morning. How are you? Sleepy? Oh. She doesn't want to talk. Okay. So I figured out that, oh my god, I'm still a little bit sleepy. Look at this. Can you see her? We are near Valencia in a nice small town. We're gonna be seeing the El Salto de la Novia, which is like a cascade, like a big fountain and stuff like this. I'm gonna also do a fast van tour in the beginning so that you can see what's actually inside our van, because I thought that it's the first day you may be interested in seeing what we just rented. Well guys, this is our van. It's a Ford Transit Custom, and here in the back we got some of the clothes and everything that we have, like, you know, to store. Down here we got the shoes and everything of that, a little bit of toilet paper. This is the stick actually to pull out the thing that covers you from the sun. Sorry for my super good English. Back here we have to connect this for the shower so that you can actually take a shower when you are back from the sea or from the beach or whatever. This is a store locker, and let's get back to the inner side. This is one of the nicest parts, of course. Right here we got the nice fridge with some food, wine and everything, which is important. Up here we got, you know, here to clean the water. Actually, I'm just thinking that I do not know a lot of nice English words for all these things, you know, to make kitchen stuff with gas. This is actually the back part that you can just push down, and it turns out to be one of the beds of this van. Up here we got some stuff stored, which is not really important. Important here, pans, plates, some stuff for COVID, you know, kitchen stuff, food stored. Oh yeah, by the way, we can here see the level of our water, which it's like 0 right now. I don't know why, but yeah, we don't have any more water, so we should refill this. Here we got the voltage of the second battery, like the one that helps, you know, for all the electronic stuff, heating and all that. A button which I don't remember for what it is. Right here we got some, you know, knives, spoons and all that, a little bit to cut cheese, and the most important thing in this van, to open the wine bottles, of course. Let's close this. And down here we got stuff for the kitchen, some bags and some, you know, cleaning stuff, napkins and alu paper, like this thing for cleaning the ground and all that. So let's close this. On the front part, of course, it's just a regular van with a wheel and some gears and Navi system, and oh yeah, awesome Asen eyewear sunglasses, which are the best sunglasses in the world. Spam, sorry for this. And of course, up here, the second bed. Let me show you. This is the one that we've been actually using. It is not the most comfortable in the world. You know, it's very thin. You can see like
this thin. I woke up every single day with back pain, but yeah, whatever. You can put this up like this so you have more space here to stand and do your kitchen stuff and all that. We got a lot of lights inside the van that are, you know, you can move them around and store them, whatever. You got lights over here to turn them on by touching them. We got the table, which you can actually fold and either attach right here to this silver bar, and then you can, you know, have some food right here, which is nice. Of course, you can turn this seat around and then have one person sitting here and another one here for some nice food. And of course the two chairs, yeah, this is me doing strange stuff. The two chairs, which are awesome because you can also fold them and then have some nice, you know, look at this, look at where we are right here. You want to say something? No. Of course, like always. And everything gets stored in the back part of the van so that everything just fits in this awesome van. As you can see, this is how the van looks like, and yeah, that's everything unfolded, and look at this beautiful thing. Good morning.
Hi.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Here's one of the greatest moments, waking up next to a river. We had parked in some random spot, we had tested all those van apps and stuff like that, but none of them really worked.
Whoa.
Freedom is the right word for what you feel waking up here. It comes at a cost, of course. It's not a hotel, but it gives you those quiet and beautiful moments. Some inner peace which is enjoyable. The life inside the van is also something you've gotta learn. It takes some time. You gotta get used to a tiny space and keeping everything super clean and organized, or you just go mad. And here's what relaxes me the most. The sound of water is the best therapy for me. Whenever I can, I listen to my favorite natural music that I know. I don't care if it's the sea, a river, a cascade. Water flowing is the thing that calms me the most. Let me just enjoy it.
Tonight I leave familiar for the great unknown. Got a couple broken arrows and my hair is grown since you saw me last, talking on an old flip phone. Today I shed the skin of who I used to be. Got Sinatra on a 45, I'm buzzing like a bee. Just hoping you'll come fly with me. I took a Greyhound down to Georgia, then a rental up to Maine. But how I hope for California in the spring. That I'm gonna blow on you. It's all slender rolling
And of course, you can't finish off the day without a good wine. This is something you wouldn't be really able to do, at least as easily as you do it with a van like this. Sharing quiet moments just with the wind, sound of the sea, a good wine, that's what's it all about. Yeah, well, okay, the chairs can be improved. I think they actually were dragging us down day after day, so we almost had to eat underneath the table. But these things don't really matter.
Back down to Nashville, in Carolina, in my mind.